Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today I will tell you how to download Utorrent and then install it in your system. Utorrent is a convenient way to find out different softwares from the internet and then you can install on your systems free of cost. First of all, just write on Utorrent in your browser. This is a Utorrent Android. We need a desktop system, so we will go to the here Windows downloads. First one is the browser, and we need a free Utorrent, and that is this one. Utorrent stable version is required for Windows. If you are an English speaker, then you can use simply this download, and if you need different language, you might find out over here available language and download language pack as well for your own required language. Just click on the download button. Downloader has started, you can see over here. Through different torrent websites you can find out your required software, and through torrent software you will be able to download that software. So this is what Utorrent is. It has been downloaded. Now just click it over it to install it on your system. I have installed antivirus, so it is just blocking it. So run unlimited. You have to simply press next, then again next. You have to accept the agreement. The sense you agree and then accept. If you want to install a free antivirus adware, then you keep this install adware antivirus for free checkbox enable, otherwise disable it. So only Utorrent would be installed in this way. Click on the next. You need start menu, link, quick launch link, or desktop icon, whatever you want. Keep it, otherwise remove these check boxes. It will be installed, but you have to find out and then run. Otherwise, if you are a beginner, leave it as it is. Just click on the next button, and without making any changes, if you don't want to make customization at this moment, you can just skip it and just press next button. You can also make changes in Utorrent after installation. Launch Utorrent if you want to use it. At the moment I just want to check it now. Just click on the finish and it will also launch as well. Now this is the first interface of the Utorrent. When you use some torrent websites and find out some available required software, it will be shown over here and it will start downloading. In next video I will tell you how to find out some of your software and then download through the Utorrent. Thank you very much. With this I want to leave. Take care. Allah Hafiz.